Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is another delicious mukbang. Happy Christmas to you and your family. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas. And yeah, this is my Christmas food. This is the food I made for our Christmas dinner. And yes, let's demolish like champions. Thank you so much, and I would like to also thank you guys for your wonderful love and support throughout this 2020, and let's roll into 2021 with demolition goodness. Come on board, let's get started. Amen, amen. It is time. So I have a red sauce as well. Okay, you don't eat jollof rice with red sauce, but I feel like adding red sauce. Okay, oh, it looks so good. It does. Oh, oh my days. So guys, it was delicious and it was yummy, and we totally demolished like champions. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. Thank you for watching. I really have to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm really blessed to have you guys. Thank you to all of you that have subscribed to my channel, and thank you for all your wonderful and loving comment. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for your wonderful love. I really like to use this opportunity and address something that has to do with my hands. I get loads of work question about my fingers. I do not use bleaching cream. If you can see, my hands and my face and any other part of my body has the same, they all have the same shade. For my finger here, okay, at the here, this side of my finger, I have excess skin. Okay, that's how it looks. I have excess skin here. I have excess skin there, and this is how I was born. I have had this finger all my life, and in my secondary school days I used to get bullied for these hands because, you know, they look different. But that's the way I was born. I can't change it. I can't do anything about it. People have suggested that I go do plastic surgery to, you know, remove the excess skin on my finger, but it's not needed. Okay, I don't have to go to that length to change anything about my finger. It's the way I was born, and I have, as a grown woman, I have come to accept it. Yeah, back in when I was younger, it used to bother me a lot, but as a grown woman now, I have come to accept it. So for everybody that have asked kindly, I'm not explaining to people who are so rude. There's people being rude here, calling me name about the finger. I don't owe them any explanation. I'm just explaining to people who have asked kindly about, oh, what's wrong with it? It just is the way I was born. There's nothing wrong with it. My finger is different. It's okay. It's the way I was born. Anyway guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're enjoying a wonderful Christmas. Thank you, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.